Math with Dotun. We have a question on circumference to solve. Alright, so we have to find the circumference of a circle with a radius of 7 centimeters. We're given pi as 22/7. Alright. The first thing is for us to recall the formula. So what's the formula for calculating circumference? Since we are using radius, that would be 2 times pi times radius. And then we substitute a value. The pi given to us is 22/7. And then the radius is 7 centimeters. Okay? Right, so 7 goes in 7 ones, and here once. Right? And then we multiply, we have 2 times 22, 44 times 1 centimeter, and that is 44 centimeters. Thank you. I'd like you to attempt the question attached to this video, and let me see the answer in the comment section. And then if you also have any questions, please drop it in the comment section. I'll attend to them. Thank you.